Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today lesson we're going to do two animation. Okay, as we can see, this is the eagle attack this rabbit here, and we're going to learn how to do this in Swift. So let's go ahead and run the application again. So this is the final version for the app, and if you can see the eagles, if I click here, he is died, so he didn't kill the rabbit. So okay, so let's go ahead and see how it's work. So let's command this, okay, and start again. Okay, as we can see, we have two photo, this in the up and this in the bottom. So I have two image view, okay, and I have two array of the eagle image and rabbit image. I will tell you this in second. And we have, I defined two animator, okay, eagle animator, rabbit animator, to make the animation, and I have sound effect as well. Okay, so I have some photo here for the rabbit frames. Okay, it can be GPG or PNG, is up to you, but when I extract the GIF, it give me this extension. So it's a photo like this, so it's not, it doesn't do any animation in the GIF here, see. So, and we have the eagle as well. We have about 29, and here is 5. So just a frame. It can be GPG, it can be PNG. So let's go ahead and in the first step, we have set up the view. Okay, this in the upper and this in the bottom. If I go to set up views here, I add eagle image view and add it to the view, and insert sub view as well. So the same, add to the view, but to guarantee that the rabbit will be, doesn't cover the eagle when this happen, that touch between them. So I make insert sub view, the rabbit will be below the eagle, okay, and this will add sub view, of course. For the eagle image view, I just take the first image and scale spec fit, so this guaranteed know the proportion of the height, and it will be in a good, so it doesn't disorientation the picture, doesn't damage the picture, doesn't stretch or squeeze the picture. And I give it the eagle image and the frame, start from 0 and y0 from the top left, give it height 200 and the left height and width 200, and the same way with this rabbit to but not, I want it from the bottom, so I have 0 axis here, and for the y we have the max y, it can be reached here, so minus 150, it goes up until there. Okay, so this, or the stub view, this is the constraint, this what we have, this image. Okay, so I have, as we can see, two array, eagle and rabbit, so we can load the frames. Okay, so if, as you can see, 29 and 5. For the rabbit we have 5, and for this guy we have 29. So let's go ahead animate. Okay, so let's command this guy and this command this guy, so both of them it's work the same. So I give him image view with this eagle image, okay, and eagle images array. So let's go ahead and explain this guy 29 and eagle, which is this, the prefix for this name. Okay, if I go ahead here, I see it's empty array of images, and go to 0 until total plus 1. I know this shouldn't be 0, but when I extract from the internet, I download it like this. So I just make it addition 1, so we can reach the 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. All right. So the eagle, for example, eagle, okay, start with 0 and make the loop until you reach all the images and add them in the image array and return this array. After this, do the same with the rabbit, but for 5 times with the rabbit prefix, as we can see here. Okay, after this I told him to animate this eagle images and rabbit images the same. I tell him to make the always keep repeating for the animation. Okay, let's go ahead and see the animate. As we can see, we have the image view of this guy, the eagle image. Give it the array of images. Animation duration will be 1 second. This 1 second not between each frame, this whole the animation. Okay, the whole for the 29 for the eagle and 5 frames for the rabbits. And I set the repeat count it to 0, so I need it indefinite loop. If I want 1 or 2 or 3, you can put here. Okay, and I start the animation. Okay, this will do the following. So let's run the application. As we can see, this make the animation. This eagle has now like flying in the sky, and the rabbit is running, or but in the doesn't goes right. So let's go right. So let's uncomment these 2 lines. Let's go ahead and to the eagle. Okay, animate eagle. So forget about this guy, I will tell you in the second. Go to the animation. Okay, don't worry about this eagle animator. We have the eagle animator. I tell him I define property animator 10 seconds for hold the animation, and I use this effect easy in out. Okay, there is some effect, you can try them. And after this I add what I want to animate, which is the eagle view. I want to change the axis of X, okay, to reach max 170, which this one here, and for the Y, max Y minus 225, which is here. Okay, and animate. Very nice. And after you animate, you can add the completion block here, finish the game after he finished. Okay, and start animation. Let's go ahead and see how this work. I will tell you about the timer. As we can see, the eagle, he flying, and he goes down until this the bottom corner, and you see the wings, how the wings happen. So let's go ahead and see how this animation works. As you can see, we already explained this. For the timer, as you can see, schedule time, just I give it code to run every 2 milliseconds. Okay, eagle location, each time repeat, of course, each 2 milliseconds. Just give me the location. Where is the eagle? It's here, here, here. Yes, after I get the location, okay, I come here, origin.y more than max y minus 380, which means he doesn't reach the rabbit, but he is in the middle of the attack. I tell him stop animating the wings. Okay, and after this, in this timer, don't execute this timer. Okay, let's this how he stopped the animating for the wings. Okay, for the rabbit, as the same, the rabbit, let's uncomment this. So the rabbit is very easy to explain itself, so it's we already this sorry, the same as the eagle. So just animator 10 seconds, easy in out, and add animation. After this, reach the max X, which is this guy minus 170, which is here. Okay, 0 Y, I don't need to goes up or down, so the same in the Y position. So let's go ahead now and run the rabbit as well to see the animation. As we can see, the rabbit is moving and this guy is, the eagle is moving together, and he is attack, 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 boom, finish the game. Okay, and you can put this game online in the market, you get $1 million of course. Okay, so finally let's kill the eagle before he reach the rabbit. So I add to the view add gesture recognizer. Okay, if I click here, as you can see, add gesture recognizer, target self and selector handle tab. So this how the way we handle the touch on the screen. After this handle tab, if I go to the handle tab, this guy, the first of all play the sound. If I go to the play the sound, which is I have this here in the sound folder, but and just to play the sound, and that's it. This is what this method do. After this, I rotate the image. Okay, I have this extension here. You can put the extension in separate file, but I'm recording the video, so it's good to have it all in the one screen. After rotate the image, he shoot the eagle. I need to rotate the image so it's like the he shoot the eagle. So we rotate the image using this method extension. So this just take the size, current size, and apply the rotation 180 degree. Okay, so this is the rotation, and after this update the image to take the rotated image. After this, get me the location of the eagle. Okay, what's this one? Location from the handle tab. After this, we have two views, which is the rabbit and the eagle. Go ahead and see where is the location of this view. The first one maybe will be the eagle or the rabbit. After this, if the touch contain the location, okay, so the image location contain the touch location, that mean he touch one of these guys, rabbit or the eagle. Okay, so let's go to this method now. Animate shoot eagle. We stop animating the wings. We stop in animation for the walking, or by the animation from the top to the bottom for the eagle. And after this, we take the origin, which is the X and Y for the eagle. It's here, here, here. After this, we animate the falling because he shot by the gun. So like this, I tell him X, take the current position for the X eagle. Okay, and goes like this, bottom just 100 and finish. Okay, after this, make this appearing. So that's all behind it. So let's run that. As we can see, is killed by the gun. Yeah, guys, if something not clear, just please leave a comment below, and please, if you need more video and encouragement, just subscribe to my channel and like my video, and the code will be available in the description below. And thank you guys for your watching, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.